Okay, good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a very long time, but I am here now giving you another lesson on algebra, and it's some sort of a review. It's not really a new topic, but you might encounter this on your civil service exams or other exams that you may encounter in your life, like entrance exams on universities as well as job opportunities. Without further ado, let's start with problem number one. We have simplify the expression 4m plus 5 plus 2m minus 1. Basically, we're just going to group the variables together, those that are similar. We should group them together. So those numbers with literal coefficients or those with letters, we group them together. And those numbers that are standing alone, we should also group them together. So we have first the variables 4m plus 2m. So we have 4m is one of these variables, and then positive 2m, we can also group them together. And then we could also group, oh no, it's another group now. We would group 5 and then negative 1. So basically, we should do the basic operations for those variables. Um, for those group of variables, no? So we have 4 plus 2m, we have 6m, and then 5 minus 1 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. So basically, the simplified expression for 4m plus 5 plus 2m minus 1 is 6m plus 4. All right? So that easy. Next, we have problem number 2. So for problem number 2, we are asked to solve the equation to find x. So we have 7x plus 9 is equal to 23. So same principle, we shall group those with literal coefficients. So usually they are grouped on the right. Oh no, sorry, they are grouped on the left. And those that are numbers only, standing alone as numbers, they should be grouped to the right. So how do we do this? So we have the 7x already on the left. So it shall remain here, but positive 9 is still on the left. So what are we going to do? We subtract 9 here on the left, and whatever we do on the left, we should also do on the right. So we should also subtract 9 on the right. So we now have the expression 7x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 23 minus 9. All right. So we have on the left side of the equation, we have 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So it cancels out. So we have 7x here is equal to 23 minus 9 is equal to 14. And then we divide this value by 7, this variable by 7. And then we also divide whatever we do on the left, we should also do on the right. We have x is equal to 2. All right, so that is the answer. Okay, so did you get it now? All right, let's move on to the next problem. We have problem number 3. Simplify the expression 8x plus 4 plus 3 times the quantity 2x minus 3. So we have same principle applies, but first we need to simplify the expression first with the quantity. We have 3 times the quantity 2x minus 3. So we'll just distribute 3. 3 times 2x is 6x. And then 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Okay? Then we copy everything. Plus 8x. And then we group everything together, those that are similar with with literal coefficients and just numbers standing alone. So we have 8x plus 6x plus 4 minus 9. So we have 8x plus 6x. We have 14x. Is that right? Okay. And then we have 4. Positive 4 minus 9 is actually negative 5. All right. So we now have the simplified expression 14x minus 5. All right. So now we will proceed with the last and final equation. We have solve the equation to find x. We have 13 minus 3 times the quantity x plus 2 plus 5x is equal to 29. So same principle applies. We just simplify this first. This quantity first. We have 3 times the quantity x plus 2. We'll just distribute 3. Okay? 3 times x is 3x. It's actually negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. Then we copy the rest. 13 minus 3x minus 6 plus 5x is equal to 29. Okay? So let's start grouping again our numbers. We have negative 3x plus 5x plus 13 minus 6 is equal to 29. So we have negative 3x plus 5x. We have 2x plus 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6 is actually 7, right? 7. All right. Is equal to 29. But 7, we said earlier that those with a literal coefficients should remain on the left and number standing alone should remain on the right. So how do we transfer 7 into the right? We subtract 7 on both sides, okay? So whatever we do on the left, we should always do on the right as well. So 7 is canceled out. We have 2x is equal to 29 minus 7. We have 22. And then we divide each side by 2. We have x is equal to 11. Okay? So that's it. That's how simple simplifying algebraic expressions as well as evaluating and solving for equations in algebra. So I hope you had a great time reviewing our problems on this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.